Welcome to the Gary Abbott Budget Watch Review channel. I've been doing this for a while. I've done a number of different watches, just a small channel. I don't make watches, I don't sell watches. I just kind of do it as a hobby. This watch that I got today, I want to just show you. It is one that I saw a few years ago. It was the Phoibos Voyager watch in blue. I wanted it and the Phoibos website didn't have it. I couldn't get it. So years, I would say at least 2 years. I must have been on Island Watch, Mark from Long Island. I must have been on his website, who he carries Phoibos. I must have signed up when it comes back in stock to let me know. So last week I got an email, it's in stock, and within 24 hours I said I really wanted this watch really bad. It does fit with my collection. I have one Phoibos watch already, and it's a great watch, but it's a big dive watch, 300 meters of water resistance. This one's 200 meters. It's not so much dive watch looking, it's more stylish. So let's get right into it. Let's show you what it looks like. So this is the watch. This is called the Blue Voyager watch. And I'm just going to let you know it is, I measured it, 39 millimeter diameter. It says that it's 40. I didn't really get 40. I got 39. I really like the bezel. It's a little over 13 thick, which to me is a little bit, but because of the smaller size on my wrist, it looks pretty good. I also want to show you something else. Let me get it out of the box. Let me show you. It's got a glide lock mechanism. You push that button, you can slide it. It has the Phoibos logo, but it really just looks fabulous. I really need my tripod back. I'm finding that is an issue for me. But I hope you can tell, I do like the Sunburst effect. It's very similar to my San Martin, but the indices style, the date window framed, 200 meters of water resistance. I always wanted one of these bezels that were not, it's kind of flows with the stainless steel look. It's got the 12-hour bezel, but it really is a beautiful looking watch. Let me throw it on my wrist and show you a few wrist shots. There it is on my wrist. I definitely will be posting this watch on my wrist. Yeah, and they do make right now it's available on Island Watch. You can get it in a gray dial. It's a very interesting look. I prefer the blue, but you might be interested. I recognize this is a watch you either really love or you really hate. But I just like it, and I think it looks good on the wrist and seems to fit well. Yeah, I usually have trouble with too tight, not too tight. Usually I'm playing with links. No need to play with links. Yeah. That's it. I'm going to show you my previous Phoibos watch. This was the Wavemaster. It's definitely a little chunkier, heavier than the Voyager. And I believe I put this band on. I think it came with a leather strap or a rubber strap it came with. You can see that this one has wave, but it's much different. This one's much classier. I could wear this out to dinner, business events, and this looks nice. A little better than my Apple Watch that I've started to wear, but yeah, this is a nice watch. Now, it runs in the same category as my San Martin, which I truly love. And you can see that it's kind of in the same, the blue's just deeper blue. Yeah, it's definitely a different, but you can see how they're similar. But look at the bezel on this one. Yeah, I like it. Hey, let me know what you think of my new Phoibos Voyager watch. I'm impressed. I actually think it was a good thing to get. You know, sometimes when you get a watch, you know from seeing it that that's what you want. Now, I did expect a 40. It seems a little smaller. 39s are usually a little, but maybe it's perfect for my collection to have something not quite like a 42 all the time. I've kind of dropped it down, but it is a very nice looking watch. Thanks for watching. If you have time, check out the community page. I'm asking the people who subscribe to my channel or watch my channel, do you wear smartwatches or do you just wear regular, what I call regular watches? Let me know in the comments or on the community page, because I'm struggling. I'm struggling that I might have to go fully back to the Apple Watch. Thanks for watching. Let me know in the comments.